That's coming up at 6. All right, Rod, all day long here on Local 4, our Paula Tutman has been addressing the issue a lot of people would rather not talk about and would certainly rather not have, and that's snoring. At 4 o'clock, she showed us how snoring can affect relationships and our health. Now she's back with a look at some of the popular solutions, and some can really help, Paula, but some actually can make the problem worse.
Yeah, they really can, and there's so much out there. The internet makes things very, very easy, but very, very hard. I've been listening in on our experts who've been answering calls really since 3:55 this afternoon, and they're getting lots of calls about products. What kind of products actually work? So we take a look at that.
Hey, this is Jimmy from Zeepa.
So, Jimmy, what's really up with that Zeepa and those obnoxious commercials?
Well, we asked Dr. Richard Klein, a dentist and device specialist at the Michigan Head and Neck Institute in Warren.
What this device does is it puts an elastic over your tongue to hold it so it doesn't fall backwards. The problem with this is it could control snoring, but it might not control your sleep apnea.
Keep in mind, some devices help minimize snoring, but very few actually eliminate sleep apnea. So when looking for a product, read it carefully. Just because you snore doesn't mean you have sleep apnea. But our Dr. McGee says take all snoring seriously.
Snoring should never be ignored because it interrupts your sleep on a constant basis. Those sleep interruptions can cause high blood pressure, cause daytime drowsiness, headaches, and all kinds of other downstream problems.
For years, the CPAP has been the gold standard for sleep apnea and snoring.
And what this machine does when the person is wearing it, it blows air into the person's mouth.
It's costly, but insurance usually offsets the cost once you've been diagnosed by a physician with sleep apnea. Dr. Klein also makes a custom oral apparatus that handles snoring and sleep apnea. For mild apnea and snoring, $6 nasal strips work.
That works really well for about 5% of the people.
But they're only a good buy for minor snoring and minor apnea. We also found a chin strap online for $19.99.
So what this is doing is it's keeping your mouth closed so you breathe through your nose. You're supposed to breathe through your nose, that's nice. But if you're collapsing back here for apnea, then this is making it worse.
So listen, if the product doesn't say handle sleep apnea, it doesn't handle sleep apnea. And just because you snore doesn't mean you have sleep apnea. This is a really important distinction that you need to try to figure out. Now, our physicians are taking your calls at 313-298-WDIV. They can't diagnose you over the phone, but they are trying to give you real solutions so that you can try to understand what's going on the pillow right next to you, because usually the person snoring doesn't realize that they snore. And also stay with us, because at 6 o'clock, Dr. Klein actually listens to those recordings you've been sending us all weekend. We can all learn something from what snoring sounds like to give you some indications of how big your problem is, guys.
In fact, I'm going to be curious, Paula, to see whether we've been getting more calls from snorers or people who live with snorers.
I think it's about equal, Devin. Usually it's the person who sleeps next to a snorer, because the snorer says, I don't snore, or, oh, I don't have any problem, I sleep just fine. And so the problem does come from the snore mate.
Yeah. All right, Paula, much more to come.